Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly enjoy golf? It's more than just swinging clubs on the green. First off, understanding the basic rules is key. For instance, once you've made a stroke, you play your ball from where it lies. No moving it around. Also, you should never get help to make a shot or change the course to your advantage. Golf's main organizations, like the USGA and R&A, promote fairness above all. And about equipment, don't feel pressured. Don't feel pressured to buy the most expensive clubs right away. Many beginners find comfort and success with secondhand gear, investing more in shoes and accessories instead. Remember, golf is as much about patience and practice as it is about rules. Stick to the game's etiquette, be fair, and your experience on the course will improve naturally. So, next time you're teeing off, keep these tips in mind. They'll help you enjoy golf, no matter your skill level. Please like and subscribe to Capital Golf Info. Thanks for watching!